Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be doing a taste review for you guys with Popeyes sandwich. So this sandwich has been out for like a year now within the US and other countries, but not in Jamaica. So finally it's in Jamaica, and I want to do a taste test. I see that's a person doing a taste test and they're giving their review as to how they like it and stuff like that. So I'm going to give my review as well. And so yeah, so before I get into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so you're notified every single time I upload a video. So we're gonna get into the video right here. As you can see, hidden this cute little package and stuff like this. It's a sandwich, and I got my fries. I'm not gonna lie, I already eat some, and comment down below if you do eat your fries before you reach home sometime. So here you go, my fries, and I think Popeyes do have one of the best fries, I ain't gonna lie. So we're gonna taste the fries first. As usual, we all do know how the fries taste, but anyhow, yeah, it's good. I don't know how many praises are going to come from me, but I think Popeyes have one of the best fries. I do like Island Grill as well fries. But anyways, let's get into tasting what we came in for the sandwich. So here's the sandwich. So this is how it tastes. So let's see what's in it. So this is how it's looking. So there's pickle and some sauce and the chicken itself. So let's get into tasting the chicken itself. I mean, let's taste it one more time. First of all, I think the bun, it's amazing. It's really soft. It's not too heavy. The chicken, I'm not really tasting any spice in the chicken because it is a spicy chicken, but I'm not really tasting any spice. I really don't mind because I don't really like spice anyways, but I just wanted to try this one because I heard it's really good. But it's not really spicy. I barely tasting any spice in it, but it's actually good. It's really nice. The pickle give a good taste to it. It's really good. It's nice. I see myself actually buying this more. It's not bad at all. It's good. It's really good. Anyways, so yeah, if you were thinking about buying it, you can actually go buy it because it's not bad. It's good. I'm seeing people doing review with the zinger and this one. I would actually give this out of 10 a 9. 9.5. Yeah, thereabout. It's really good. It's not bad at all. You can actually eat it and enjoy it. Anyway, that will be my review. I'm kind of full, so I don't think I'm going to finish this because I actually did eat. I'm just doing this video just to do the tasting. But if you were thinking to buy it, you can try it. It's actually good. like I said before. Anyways, if you try it, you can let me know how it tastes to you. You can tag me on Instagram and let me know how it tastes, or you can comment down below what you think. But that will be the video for this taste test. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you're notified every single time I upload a video.